Hey guys, today I've got something special for all of you. We're diving into a game-changing strategy, creating and selling your own online courses. Let's break it down into simple, actionable steps. You ready? Let's get into it. First things first, choose your topic. Choose a topic that you're passionate about. Think business, marketing, e-commerce, areas where you can share your unique expertise. Write down 5 topics you love right now, because these are the potential gold mines for your courses. Next up, let's talk content creation. Don't overthink it. Keep it real. Keep it you. Use simple videos, maybe even just your phone to start. Your goal, create content that's relatable and easy to digest. Outline your first video. Think of it as a story or a lesson that ties into your topic. Stories sell, my friends. Now, where to host your course? Platforms like nowsite are your friends. They make it super easy to get your course out there. Here's what you need to do. Research 3 platforms this week. Compare their features. Choose the one that feels right for you. Remember, the right platform can make all the difference. I myself use nowsite and I highly recommend it. Okay, let's talk about getting your course noticed. Your description is key. Catchy, make it shine. And pricing, think affordable luxury. Not too high, not too low. And write a draft of your course in your description. Make it pop. Show it to friends, get feedback. Tune it until it's irresistible. If you struggle with this, nowsite or chat GPT can help you formulate your thoughts with your writing. And there you have it. That's your power move, guys. That's a very small step, basically a roadmap to creating and selling your online course. Very basic. It's not hard at all. Remember, it's all about taking action. Start small, think big, and keep pushing forward. You got this, man. I know you do. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay motivated, stay focused, and let's crush these goals together. Remember, guys, the key to success in creating and selling your online courses is action. Every step you take brings you close to your goal. Keep learning, keep growing, and never stop believing in potential. And always remember, I'm here to help you if you need it. If you need more details, more information on how to get started, I can do that for you. That's easy. But the big step is getting started. Have a great day.